Ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka and a very good day to you all. It is my great honor and pleasure to attend this wonderful concrete pouring ceremony here today in Rakiraki. First and foremost, on behalf of Fiji Fair's government, allow me to express my warm congratulations to you and the wider Rakiraki community residents on the new multi-purpose court worth 163,500. Some of you may recall that I was here to hand over the youth farm grants to the youth clubs. And during that program, there was a request by the youths of Rakiraki for a multi-purpose court. And I remember that we assured that we will do a multi-purpose court here in Rakiraki at Tataiya Memorial Primary School grounds so that the youths of Rakiraki can take full advantage of it and use it. And today we are here to do the first concrete pouring for this multi-purpose court. It is indeed a happy occasion as it marks an important milestone in the development for the communities of Rakiraki. It is also a pleasure to be here for this concrete pouring ceremony on a project that will make a big difference to Rakiraki. I wish to thank and acknowledge the staff and the stakeholders who made this project possible. I'm sure you are all super excited that this sports facility is finally becoming a reality. It is the vision and commitment of the Fiji Fair's government and our leader, the Honorable Prime Minister, that has made such community sporting projects possible. We must honor this vision and its commitment to the sporting development of Fiji that has made this project possible as well. Ladies and gentlemen, we enter an important year ahead of us as we all decide our government for the coming years. Over the past 8 years, we all have overseen many projects here in Rakiraki under the Fiji Fair's government. This has included roads, bridges, fire station, roadside stalls and markets, rebuilding of schools and homes after the natural disasters, relief during COVID-19, and infrastructure such as the new Rakiraki market, the fire station, and much more. Ladies and gentlemen, talk is easy. Talk is cheap. Open your mouth and it can come all out. But for Fiji Fair's government, we had a program of building facilities for people in urban areas, peri-urban areas, and rural areas such as yours, so that no one is left behind. And we will continue to do this. It is easy to fall in the trap of cheap talk and take all this for granted. To begin to think that other governments can also do this, the fact is that some of these leaders were in a position to do so, but they didn't do. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I would like to recognize some of the key individuals who helped turn this dream for you into a reality. First and foremost, the management team and the staff of Tataiya Memorial Primary School. The contractors who will construct this facility, chance maintenance and renovation works. My ministry staffs from the Sports Development Unit who helped to facilitate this project. And of course our stakeholders, the youths of Rakiraki. I'd also like to extend my appreciation to all the community members and others who are working on this project so that their community can utilize this facility. This new sports facility will have a great positive impact on this community as it will promote health and well-being for the community and definitely identify some of the talents in the community that will in future be representing Fiji in sports. Ladies and gentlemen, this facility also intends and will provide for all the youths and students for basketball, tennis, netball, futsal, and will also be an income generating opportunity for the youth and the community in hosting sports events. Time to come, ladies and gentlemen, this ground will become a major sporting for the residents and for the youths of Rakiraki. At this time, I would also like to invite the officials, community elders, and the youth reps to come forward and join me in turning the first shovel of cement, marking this special occasion. As we close out this formal portion of our dedication, I invite those gathered here to feel free to come forward and turn a shovel of cement yourself and create your own portrait that how you were there when it all first happened and began. I want to thank you all for coming. Please stay to enjoy the refreshment and share in our joy of this wonderful occasion. And I look forward to meeting and talking with you as we finish of these formalities. Thank you and Vinaka.
Four. 1, 2, 3.
Thank